next natin is si Takoyaki. Okay, lista ko muna si Call Me Pork Chop. Call Me Pork Chop. Okay, nasan si Takoyaki? You're welcome, Matilda. Okay, Takoyaki, may ka-situation pa ako. Oh, grabe yung ka-situationship mo 2 years. Ano pa magiging ending? To be honest, wala pa sa cards. Hindi ko pa i-ano sa cards. Pero grabe yung 2 years. Oh my gosh. It's like, situationship for 2 years. Parang ang hirap naman nun. Parang walang label, right? But let's see. This card is for Takoyaki. Wait lang. This card is for Takoyaki. This card for Takoyaki is for guides and angels. May ka-situationship o 2 years. Ano pa magiging ending namin? For guides and angels. This card for Takoyaki. Ano po magiging ending namin? Ang ka-situationship. Yeah, let's see. Oof, wait lang. May bumaliktad na cards. I'm going to shuffle it again. Yes, gemstone. Yung 666 ay direct sa Gcash, okay? This card is for Takoyaki. So, this may decision. Wait lang. Mali nababasa ko eh. Wait lang, nababa kasi siya. Okay, Takoyaki. Ano magiging ending namin? Okay, let's see. First card is 7 of Cups. Then, 7 of Swords. But puro 7 to. Then 10 of Pentacles. Okay, I'm going to pull another card on the side. So, the thing here kasi, I can really say naman na parang there is no, ano talaga, yung masasabi ko na official relationship because nasabi ko, there's a lot of options. Siguro yung, I'm not totally sure if if ikaw to or probably yung partner mo. Kasi nakita ko dito, meron siyang ibang options pa when it comes to relationship. Parang hindi lang ikaw, okay? So, hindi naman kailangan mong na masaktan ka dito. Kasi 2 years na to eh. And parang, ang hirap din naman ng situation nyo or yung connection nyo. Parang, medyo tumatabingi. But in your case kasi, parang sa inyong dalawa, I'm not sure if nagbibigay na ba kayo ng money. Kasi, another reason here is baka nag-take advantage lang yon. Okay, so probably you should, if ikaw yung nag-earn ng money, probably dapat hindi mo binibigay ito lahat, okay? Kasi baka in the end, ikaw nga lang yung mag-take advantage and ikaw lang yung masaktan. So, parang ang nangyayari kasi dito is like, there's okay, nag-earn po, nagbibigay po ako. 'Di ba? So, it's very, it's very hard on your part din. Kasi, both of you, kasi walang label eh. And, just ask yourself, okay, ba't mo ba siya ginagawa? Ba't mo ba ginagawa to? It's like, you love this person. Pero dapat, meron din, let's say, nabibigay niya din eh, kabaligtaran. So, ayun lang naman. Dapat, give and take kayo dito. But, on your case, kasi parang ikaw lang yung mas nabibigay ng effort, okay? So, I hope I answered your question. So, may nagsend sa